welcome back to another awesome adventure. It's me, Buddy Bear. But guess what? I'm not the one teaching today, oh no! We've got some very special guests who will take over today's lesson. That's right, the Cool Cats crew is in the house, and they're gonna lay down some knowledge, some history, and some funky groovy beats while they're at it. Oh, and of course our Gen-I bots are here too. Y'all ready to learn? Okay, let's jump into it.
All right, cool cats, listen up. A president is the leader of the whole country, and they're supposed to be. They help make big decisions and take care of all the people, kind of like how your teacher leads the class. Can you think of a time when you had to be a leader? Maybe when you helped a friend, or made sure everyone played fair at recess. See? That's leadership. And today we're learning about some real famous leaders from our presidential history. People like Abraham Lincoln or John F. Kennedy. These guys helped make America a better place for everyone, and we're going to learn about them hip-hop style. My buddies, the Gen-I bots, are the AI music crew who's going to drop that beat and rap all about these presidents of the United States. Okay? Y'all ready? Well, let's go!
Oh, okay. Being a president is sort of like being the leader of a band. A band needs a conductor to keep the music smooth, just like a country needs a president to keep everything running right. Oh yeah. I can dig it.
Picture this, little bots. So way back in the day, George Washington was the first president of the United States. He helped start the country, and homie even had some pretty cool white hair.
Hey man, fix your mic. Your mic, you sound all far away-ish. Sound like you recording in 1960 or something. Yeah, bruh, you should fix that.
Haha, don't start with me today, Strum. Now, as I was saying about Abraham Lincoln.
And Abraham Lincoln? Oh yeah. He's famous for helping people be free. Plus, that dude had a tall top hat, a long suit jacket, just cool as he can be. Talk about a fashion statement.
Yes, Chime, as I was about to say about Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln, a preeminent orchestrator of societal metamorphosis, engaged in the recalibration of the national infrastructure via the utilization of profound, yet arguably unsolicited, legislative recalibrations, thereby instigating a paradigm shift of unprecedented, albeit monumentally beneficial proportions.
So Lincoln changed stuff and it was good? Like, cool cat, why didn't you just say that? These are little kids you're talking to. You got me pulling out a dictionary.
Okay, guys, not here. Now's not the time. Gosh, we the cool cats, remember? Let's act accordingly.
As I endeavor to articulate a coherent sequence of verbal expressions, there exists an incessant and unsolicited auditory interjection from the aforementioned individual, rendering my capacity for uninterrupted discourse a theoretical impossibility of the highest magnitude.
So he won't let you talk?
Yes, exactly what I said.
You said a lot, but podrías haberlo dicho en un idioma que todos entendamos. Ay, so much drama. Let's just make music.
Hey! Let's get back to the topic. These little kids are not here for all this. Hey, these little whippersnappers want to learn about the presidents today. Right, kids?
That's right, little rock stars. Presidents are leaders who help everyone, just like good friends do.
All right, cool cats, I hear ya. Y'all really breaking it down for us. But here's a big question. What makes a good president? I would think that a president has to be fair, honest, and think about what's best for everyone. Like, they have to listen, make good choices, and lead with kindness. Kind of like being a good friend, right?
Yes, Boomer, that's right. But why do you always yell when you talk? Like we seriously can hear you, Boomer Percy.
Ha! You know I play the drums. You on that flute, Breezy, so you don't get my loud sound.
Hey kids, how about we take the good leader oath? So what you do is repeat after me, then you stand tall, put your a hand over your heart, and then repeat after me, okay? I promise to be fair. I promise to be kind. I'll listen to others and keep an open mind. I'll lead with love, respect, and always stay true. Because good leaders think about me and you.
Awesome. Everyone did that perfectly. That's what being a great leader is all about. Wow, what a cool lesson. I don't know about you, but I learned so much today. Today we saw how presidents are like great leaders, just like how the cool cats keep their music real smooth. And remember, you can be a leader too. Whether it's helping a friend, standing up for what's right, or being kind, every good choice makes the world better. Thank you to the Cool Cats crew for teaching us today. And thank you, Gen iBots, for being part of the lesson. And most of all, thank you to our amazing viewers. Keep learning, keep leading, and keep being awesome. See you next time on our next adventure. Bye.
Hi guys, I want to apologize about some disruptions we had with the Cool Cats. I want you all to learn and understand that you should always be nice and respectful to others. Being kind means using nice words and sharing with others. Being respectful means listening, waiting your turn, and saying please and thank you. When we are kind and respectful, we make the world a happy place. So let's smile, help, and be the best friends we can be. During the show earlier after your oath, we could not record the Cool Cats music performance, but we will play their songs and let you dance along. Does that sound okay? Fantastic. Well, here they are, the Cool Cats.
Hey, Washington, set the bar, let the revolution try to take us far. Adams was second in command, kept the country strong with a steady hand. Jefferson wrote the Declaration loud, then doubled the land, made the nation proud. Madison said, let's write it right, father of the Constitution, real bright. Monroe made a doctrine, told the world, stay out of here, keep your flag unfurled. Quincy Adams, sharp as can be, spoke 6 tongues, changed history. They called him Old Hickory, tough as steel. From a cabin to the White House, kept it real. Van Buren kept the game in check. First U.S.-born prez, give him respect. Harrison spoke way too long, got too cold. 1 month he was gone. Tyler took over, first VP switch. Kept the country steady, made the pitch. Polk had a vision so bold, added more land, let the story be told. Taylor, a wartime vet, fought real hard but ain't done yet. Fillmore signed some deals, kept the country turning its wheels. Pierce, a leader strong, tried to keep peace but it went all wrong. Buchanan watched as things got wild. Civil War loomed, tensions piled. Lincoln freed the slaves, gave his life so all be saved. Andrew J. tried to heal, but Congress fought and made it real. Grant, a general bold, led the troops then took control. Hayes won the fight by just 1 vote, what a sight. Garfield just got started, but too soon he dearly parted. Arthur cleaned up tight, made the system work just right. Grover ran, took a seat, came back later, double feet. Harrison, tariff high, made the economy touch the sky. Grover's back, round number 2, still kept things steady, true. McKinley led in war so grand, took new lands, made a stand. Roosevelt rough and tough, national parks, yeah, he made enough. Taft got stuck in a tub one day, but ran the courts in a major way. Wilson, World War I, kept the fight until it was done. Hardin had a scandal ride, left the office, country cried. Solid Cal, real chill, cut those taxes, made that bill with Hoover. Times got rough, the Great Depression hit real tough. Franklin D, 3-term strong, led through war, kept hope real long. Truman dropped the bomb, war was through, made tough calls, that's what he do. I built roads, set the pace, launched the space race into place. JFK, moonshot dreams, civil rights, big bold schemes. Lyndon B signed civil rights, but Vietnam kept up the fights. Tricky Dick, Watergate fall, had to leave, lost it all. Ford tried to heal, kept it honest, kept it real. Carter, they call Peanut Man, solar panels, had a plan. Reagan came from Hollywood flair, Cold War down, market in the air. Bush and Desert Storm kept the U.S. safe and warm. Bill played sax, had the charm, booming jobs, but some alarm. WLA through 911, war on terror had begun. Barack said yes we can, made history, changed the plan. Trump winners ran it bold, tweets and headlines took control. Joe led through pandemic's haze,
Thanks for watching and listening.